Bismillah, alhamdulillah, salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to lesson number 28. Let's start with some verb practice. We're going to add two verbs today. Akala, which means he ate. Ja'a, which means he came. Let's do the 14 forms. Akala, he ate. Akala, akalu, they ate. Akalat, she ate. Akalata, akalna, akalta, you ate. Akaltuma, akaltum, you all ate. Akalti, you female ate. Akaltuma, akaltunna, akaltu, I ate. Akalna, we ate. Next one is ja'a, he came. Ja'a, ja'u, they came. Ja'at, she came. Ja'ata, ji'na. Notice from this particular point, it takes a kasra, ji'na. And after that, all of them are kasra. Ji'ta, you came. Ji'tuma, ji'tum, ji'ti, ji'tuma, ji'tunna, ji'tu, I came. Ji'na, we came. Would like to introduce one more particle of asking. We know that a means is. So if I say ahada kitabun, it means is this a book? Hal also means the same thing. So you could alternatively say hal hada kitabun. That also means, is this a book? This hal is different from the hal, which is used in kayf al-hal. Kayf al-hal, most of you might know, it means how are you? So kayf al-hal, this is with the ha, and this hal is with the ha. Okay. We learned demonstrative pronouns in our previous lesson, one of our previous lessons. You know that in the Arabic language, everything is either male or female. So we also have demonstrative pronouns for male and demonstrative pronouns for female. Male in Arabic, it's called al-mudhakkar, male. And al-mu'annath means female. So hada means this for male objects, masculine objects. Hadihi, it also means this for feminine objects. Dhalika, as we learned before, means that for male or masculine objects. Tilka is also that for feminine objects. Okay, one more concept. The mubtada and the khabar, right? The mubtada and the khabar, this D should be here. The mubtada and the khabar must match the number and gender. Now, singular, plural, dual, we haven't learned the plural of many words. We will learn, inshallah. But for now, let's do a little bit of practice with the gender for the mubtada khabar. So if we say this is new for male objects, we would say hada jadidun. This is new. Hadihi jadidatun. See this feminine ta marbuta. Hadihi jadidatun. This is new if it's a female object, feminine object. Al-baytu jamilun. Al-bayt is male. As-sayyaratu jamilatun. The car is beautiful. The house is beautiful. The car is a feminine object, so we use jamilatun. Dhalika kabirun. That is big. Tilka kabiratun. That is big. Okay, make the additions to your grammar notes and review them frequently, inshallah. I had asked you previously to read the English key, and we're going to read the English key for lesson number 6 before we start the lesson number 6 in the main book. Keep this book by your bedside table and read it often. It will clarify the concepts and make them stronger in your mind. Okay, so let's read on from here. In this lesson, we learn number 1, هذه, which is the feminine for hada. It is pronounced هذه with the elongation, but the alif is omitted in writing. The boy is, this is a boy and this is a girl. هذا ولد وهذه بنت. Number 2, nouns and adjectives are made feminine by adding a ta marbuta at the end, so that feminine ta. The last letter before this ta takes a fatha. For example, teacher, male, would be mudarrisun. Lady teacher would be mudarrisatun. Certain nouns have a separate form of feminine. For example, son means ibnun, daughter means bintun, brother means akhun, sister means ukhtun. Okay, all nouns in Arabic are either masculine or feminine. We know that. Feminine nouns and adjectives. We haven't learned adjectives properly, which we will learn inshallah. They usually have the ta marbuta at the end, the closed ta. But there are certain words which do not have this ending. Students, when learning a new noun, must learn its gender also. Okay. Now, double members of the body, which means the body parts that come in a pair, are usually feminine, while the single are masculine. So we have a list. The example, head is ras, it is masculine. Nose, anfun, which is masculine. Mouth, famun, which is masculine. Face, wajhun, which is masculine. Hand, yadun, we have 2 hands, so it's feminine. Leg, rijlun, we have 2 of them, feminine. Eye, ainun, which means, which is feminine. Ear, udhunun, which is also feminine. Number 3, li is a preposition meaning belongs to or for, which we learned in our previous lesson, li, lillahi. This belongs to Bilal and that belongs to Hamid. هذا لبلال وذلك لحامد. Okay, this belongs to Bilal and that belongs to Hamid. Okay, for example, alhamdu lillahi. Now notice that the word, the name of Allah, the great name of Allah, when we write the lillahi, we simply drop the alif and add a kasra. We do not add a separate lam. We just add a kasra at the beginning. Liman means whose or belongs to whom. From our example in the previous lesson, Sami Allahu liman hamida. So whose is this? It would be liman hada, or whom does it belong to means the same. Whose is this book or whose book is this? It would be limanil kitab. Notice that the man originally has a sukun, but when it comes before al, it takes a kasra. Limanil kitab. Number 4, aidan. Aidan means also. So we have a sentence here. It says, hada jamilun wa dhalika aidan jamilun. This is beautiful and that is also beautiful. The last sentence in number 5, hada kabirun jiddan. Jiddan means very. This is very big. Okay, so we will need to practice a lot of these, inshallah, in the lesson in the main book. So I want you to review what we have done today, inshallah, and get ready for the lesson 6 in the main book. We end here. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik. وأشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك.